Hey, it's your boy Joey from Front Tip Garage. Welcome. I'm sure you are here because your NBS GMT 800, which is 98 to 2006/7 Silverado or GMC four-wheel drive is having issues. This was one thing people suggested you swap out because it's only like 15 bucks. If I can find mine, I'll link it in the description. I did not fix mine, but I'm glad I did this. It has better lights and all the lights work. On my old one, only too high and auto worked, nothing else lit up. So that's really awesome now. They also said, you're not going to be able to see it. Nope. With the skid plate on the Z71 you can't see it. But the front axle disconnect motor goes bad, they say. But my tip for you is to come down here. It's leaking out a little bit of transmission fluid, I need to fix that. Is to come down here and they say the motor somewhere, well, that's the transfer case there. The motor goes bad and to just replace that. But that's like $100. So, fuck that noise. Check your plug here. This is the plug to the main harness. Come on, focus. There we go. It shouldn't be hanging here. Mine, when I rebuilt the transmission, I broke the clip, and sitting right there, it gets covered in mud and water. So first, what I would suggest is pull this apart, spray it with WD-40 to clean it out and get all the water out, because it's the water displacement, and see if that fixes your four-wheel drive. If it does, I'm also going to pack this with dielectric grease and get it back way up here, way up there somewhere, where it doesn't get covered in a bunch of crap. So I can do that now. Alright, and here you can see it working properly. That didn't do nothing. And when it's broken, it just flashes, kind of like this. Is it gonna stop? Is it gonna stop? Come on. You have to put it in neutral for this to work. It says my brakes are broken. Oh. No, it's not the parking brake. Maybe it was. I don't know. Okay, and then you see it stops. So, that's how it's supposed to work. We'll put it back in auto because no, my brakes, I just back on. That's weird. See, little brake light. Not sure why that's on. Anyways, that is a working four-wheel drive system for you. Mike says, like, rate, comment, subscribe. Watch a new video. Subscribe. I don't know, figure it out. Meow, meow, meow.